Hey YouTubers, this is PrivateCitizen, and today I wanted to quickly go over the door situation I had with my GoPro Max camera. So the issue I had was when I first bought it, I opened it up like most people would do just to put the battery in, put the card in, see if it worked. I didn't take the time to read the directions beforehand, and I'm not even sure if the particular info was in there. But what happened was I wound up closing the door, and instead of pushing the door up to close it, I wound up using the switch here to close it and wound up messing the whole thing up. So what you're supposed to do is, this is up and locked in its waterproof position. Put that down to open it, and you need to use the switch to slide the door down, which is normal, what you're supposed to do. But when you go to close it, you are not supposed to push the switch to close the door. You're supposed to close the door by hand and then push the switch up. So by me pushing the switch to close the door, I wound up messing up the locking mechanism. The whole thing after that was goofy. So what had happened was, once I did that, when I went to open the door, it wouldn't fully open, which made it hard to get the card out and the battery. So I tried to jimmy with it to see if I could fix it. See if I could stick something in between to get the two pieces apart and somehow correct it, and wind up messing up the whole thing. As you see here, here's the parts. So of course online, GoPro will sell you a replacement door for $20. And with that replacement door, I received this card, which says, "Don't do what I did." So I wanted to put it out there so that everybody knows, if you get a GoPro Max 360, make sure you don't use a switch to try to close the door. That's it for PrivateCitizen. Have a good day.